Can you show me this with your blocks? Can you show me this equation?
I went to 5 and then
And you went to, I see you. You went to 6.
and then I went to 7 and then I went to 8 and then I just went to 9. It went up.
Okay, and look what answers you got. All those equal what?
10.
10. Beautiful. Put your blocks back up.
Blocky block.
Oh, sorry. We got 8 and 2, so let's put some more here. Put some in here. Put some to the side. Grab some, just grab some. Okay. We already did 2, so let's change numbers. Add another one. Put one over here. You put the rest over here. Okay, go quickly. Well, I don't know either. What have you tried? Okay, so you tried 4 and 6. I see that. You tried 2 and 8. Okay, so what could you put over here now? You had 4 over here. You had 2 over here. What could you put over here now? Well, but okay, I hear what you're saying. You could do 10 plus 0. You could say 10 and 0, but look what the problem says. He sees some bees in the hive and some bees in a tree. Would that be showing some in the hive and some in the tree? Is 0 anything? No, so you can't really use that one, can you? Okay, so let's try another one. But you said 10, what if you did 9? Would that show some in a hive? Does that show some in the tree? So then that one would work for that answer, wouldn't it? You're right. You could put 10 plus 0 down here, but that's not one that truly shows this problem, right? Because you don't really see 0, do you? It's nothing. All right. Did you flip this over and get going?
Yes.
And then you just flipped it back over? Ta-da! Tell me what you did. Whoa, 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 whoa. Show me this one. I want to see that. Show me 4 bees over here and 4 bees in the tree. And I want to see how that got 10. I'm fascinated. Oh. Okay, well you did that one 5 and 5, so. So now what does it say? Oh, look at you. Nice job. Way to fix your mistake.
That's all the things that make 10, but I don't know which one was thinking. I already did it to get my
All right, class. Go ahead and put all those manipulatives back in the bag. Make sure all 10 go in the bag. Because remember, everything has a home, and every home has a place. So let's make sure that we have it done. After you put your manipulatives up, put your name on your extend word. And I'm going to have you leave it at your table as we bring it to a close. So leave it at your table with your name on it and come over here for closing.
I have popcorn.
I'm going to give you about 1 minute, 60 seconds to walk over here. I ask you to put your name on it.
Oh, it's just out of hand.
Name on here and then just leave the manipulatives on the table so I can collect them.
Look, Jason, look.
Lucian, I need a name on that paper.
You do.
Abigail, I need a name on this paper. Or you're too worried following your nose with popcorn that you forgot your name. Flip it over so I can see the thing. Oh my goodness, y'all such good detectives. All right.
I also smell popcorn. I smell popcorn. It's just my breath.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. If you're here, put your hands in lap. 5, 4. Thank you, Jace. Get on your spot. 3. Walking feet. 2, 1. Can you go back and show how we do it safely? Remember, our rule is we are safe if we're being ready. Show me how we do safe. Oh, she's doing a much better job of being safe. That makes us very happy. Jace, would you show me that you are ready? Abigail, you are doing excellent respect. You're showing your hands and your feet to yourself. You're in your assigned spot. You are just sitting with your voice on 0. Thank you, JC. On this whole middle row has made that respectful part. And let's see who's being responsible. Means they're on task. The task right now is to close our lesson. All right, to close our lesson, I want us to think back to this PBO that we started with. We went back to the beginning, and that said, it said students will be able to. That was you. Did you solve some addition problems? Yes. Were they story problems or contextual problems? Were they? Yes. You had to read. You had to listen to a story, and then you had to make your things match. So did you do that? Thumbs up if you did that. All right. Did you use objects?
Yes.
Did you use drawings?
Yes.
Did you represent show?
Yes.
The problem?
Yes.
Yes, we did a lot of that with paint buckets. We did a lot of paint
A lot
buckets.
of those stuff.
In order to,
So
so that we could add. I'm going to grab a paper from out here. Because the answers that people came up with were very similar. We had people come up with 10 equals 4 plus 6. 4 and 6. 4 and 6.
That's my paper.
We had people come up with 7 and 3 is 10. 10 is 8 and 2. And 10 is 9 and 1. And he started on this side with 5 plus 5. So when he extended his work, did he extend it? He went back to his seat, he flipped it over, and he turned it into 4 more ways to make 10.
Which one I just did back?
Awesome.
I just went it back on my seat and did 10.
Boys and girls,
7.
pat yourself on the back. And tomorrow we'll continue and we'll work on some subtraction practice tomorrow. All right, stop and breathe.